Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, if you're new, thank you for selecting this video. Welcome to Jan's Journey. That means so much to me that you selected this video. So today, as you've seen in the picture, we're going to be doing a double unboxing. We're going to be unboxing, as you see, the month of May already. And it's a lot of things happening in the month of May. It was my son's birthday, also it's Mother's Day, but I'm also moving, so a lot of things happening. But I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and you're able to celebrate it with your mom. So for those of you that are moms, happy early Mother's Day. I hope you guys get a great box, and I feel like there is a good box, especially for the base box. And as you know, the theme is Boxy Flourish. How pretty it is, and you can already see the theme in the background. So today we're going to be doing double unboxing. I won't be able to try on much of the products because guys, I didn't even have makeup brushes. I already packed everything. I didn't even have lipstick. I was hoping I got brushes in my box. I didn't this time, so luckily I had a bag in my car, and that's what I was able to use. So yeah, it's crazy, but I'm like, you know what, I really want to do this video and unbox it and share with you guys the items that I received for this variation. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's start with the base box. The base box is one that's $25. I really don't remember what I got in my box. Is the variation, and this variation, the value is $152. So there's 5 items here, and as you know, the cost of the box is $25, so it's not bad at all. And this time around, there were some great high quality name brands, at least for skincare, like Murad and also Tarte for makeup items, and those were the choice items. The Tarte, I was hoping for the Murad because I have the other one that's green, which sounds really amazing. But in this box, I know that I received the Tarte The Glow one. It's pretty interesting. It's not really a concealer. You could just put this on top of the concealer, but you could put it on its own. And here is the product. The shape that I got is called a light, and how cute is this? How perfect this is. And it comes with this cute little sponge that you could just use it on here, or you could just remove it and use it on its own, or use it with the concealer too. And the item or the product is here. It looks just like the Shape Tape concealer, and let's go ahead and apply that right there. I think it is a light color, but I don't mind at all. Within, it's not a highlighter type of glow, and I've seen the before and after pictures, how great it looks here to attack the dark circles or anything that you want to cover from there. It has a diamond complex. That's the reason why you're getting that kind of glow. And this one, guys, retails for $27. It's something that I really was hoping for, and it's a palette. We have received Cap Cosmetics before, but only like a lip oil, and I love that lip oil. I have it in my car. Anytime I want, I could just apply it. It's not sticky, and I really love the scent. So I'm glad to see this brand again. But this one is different. This one is going to be a makeup palette. I believe this is going to be a variation. This one is a day plus night palette, and this one retails for $52. I'm going to be true, guys. I'm going to be honest. I did my eye makeup look using this palette, and when I opened it, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but that's fine. I do like that it comes with a mirror. But when I went to look at the colors to see what inspires me to create today's makeup look using these colors, when I saw Dusk, I don't know, for some reason, I'm like, well, this giving me vibes a little bit of the Huda Beauty palette, but I know it's not the same. But I don't know, at first that's what it reminded me of. I like some of the shimmers. I just feel like some of the shimmers, picking it up with the brush, wasn't good at all for me. I had to use my fingers. It's what I normally do, but I always like to test that out with the brush in case. I noticed that with the shade here, Halo, that's my favorite color, like a soft purple lavender. It wasn't as pigmented as I was hoping for, but I do know that it's a light color. So pretty nice palette, and I want to show you guys as I'm talking how I did this eye makeup look really briefly, but bear with me. I had all those brushes were just in the car. Next, the item that I got, oh, I was excited for this too. This is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Super long name, but the reason is because this is 2-in-1. I'm excited for that. I love anything with coconut oil or coconut. and this is gonna prime, but also is going to moisturize your skin, and it's also gonna hydrate your skin. So you actually need that when you're applying your makeup before you get started. I think this is perfect because, especially me right now on the go, I have just a few items, and this will be perfect for me because it's a primer but also a moisturizer, and I love that. And you know what, this is what I like about First Aid Beauty, that is great for sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, and sometimes I get reactions. Actually, I just got a reaction from a primer that I was trying, and right here you could just you can still see the huge acne that I got. And it's been a long time that I get breakouts from a product, and I have sensitive skin, so I just can't wait to try it, and I like that. This is great also for sensitive skin. This one, guys, retails for $30. Oh, this was the other item, guys. I am loving this box. This is the other item that I was hoping I was gonna get, and I was hoping I was gonna get a little earlier because I straighten my hair. I like to straighten my hair once my hair is dry, and then I like to apply any products, and this one does say that you need to apply when your hair is dry. So yes, I got the dry bar. This is a new brand coming to Boxycharm. I'm super excited we get to see dry bar products. I'm telling you guys, this box truly is a nice box. This is a hot toddy way to try it and see how this protects my hair, which I love, because you want to protect your hair, you just don't want to straighten it already and then applying all that heat. But having a product like this, I just can't wait, and I'm excited that we get to try this. And this is in our boxes, and this one, guys, retails for $27. So I'm super excited. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these brands, especially First Aid Beauty or Dry Bar. I did try one of the shampoo, but I just didn't like that it didn't have the suds, so I feel like it wasn't cleaning. But I just can't wait to try this product that I got. And last, this one I was a little taken back because in the pictures, this product, when I shared the sneak peek, it looked huge, it looked pretty big. I understand it doesn't need to be that big, it's just a little stick, but for some reason I just felt like it was bigger. But this is from Hand Skincare Cosmetics. This is a multi-stick, and this is a blush, and the one that I got is called Rose Berry. Ooh, I think this would have been perfect for today. I think it matches my shirt too. So this is a multi-stick, and what I like about this is I am not gonna put it on my skin. I want to be careful how I use it, especially now with all this that is going on. But this one, you could apply it on your cheeks, you could apply it on your lips, or even on your eyelids. I do like that the ingredients are organic. They have organic shea butter, and they have organic argan oil, so I love that as well. Oh, it smells really nice. Look how cute that is. So I'm just gonna try it out. It feels super soft. It feels like a lipstick. You're gonna see, oh, you could see a little bit there. It does have a nice shine. So because it's multi-stick, I want to be careful how I use this one. So I'm not mad that I got it. I was just expecting it a little bit bigger, but this is not bad. And this one, guys, retails for $16. So this is my box, and this one, as you see, it retails, like I mentioned, $152, and I'm super excited with this variation. I was hoping for most of these items here. In fact, I was hoping for other ones too, because I feel like there's so many great items for the base box for the month of May. I think it will make a great Mother's Day present too. So now, guys, let's go ahead and move on to the premium box. So guys, now we are ready to open the premium box. I am super happy and excited with the base box. Hopefully I am not disappointed with the premium box. So let's go ahead and see what we got in that box. As you know, it's $35, and we're expecting 6 items. So far the items I've seen are not bad at all, and you know what I like now? That we're able to pick 2 products, so I am loving that. So this one, the value of this box is $253. So far it seems like a great box based on the value. So the first item I'm gonna share is, as you know, this is the first choice item, and this is the Bloom Effect, the Royal Tulip Nectar. I'm super excited because mine is already almost halfway. I love this product, guys. One thing I'm doing now, before I only put it at night, but I put it on my chest, I put it around my hands, I put it around different areas, let me tell you. And I love how soft it is, and I feel like a lot of the areas that I have like some pigmentation here too, it's like, I don't know, it's just looking so much better. So on damp, when my skin is damp, is when I apply this. I rub it in the front of my fingertips, and that consistency that it feels like sticky, then it becomes like a serum. And then with the damp skin, it just goes in so perfectly. So I am loving this product. Like I mentioned, it's already halfway, so I'm glad that I got it on this box. This one, guys, retail for $65. I love it so much that I actually bought it in the add-on store. I don't want to run out of it, and I know this is super pricey, so I'm excited that this was once again in the box. Let me know if you guys selected this as your choice item. But it truly moisturizes your skin. I don't need no other moisturizer. I don't need no other serum when I apply that, because my skin looks so hydrated. So I really love this. Next, the other item that I got was also a choice item, and I don't mind which one I was gonna get because I do like the Too Faced Hangover Primer, but the one I received was the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow, and this one retails for $21. What I like about this, based on the videos that I have seen but I haven't tried it yet, is the liquid eyeshadow. And this also, you could just put it on its own as a liquid eyeshadow and blend it, but you could just put it on and then apply a powder blush right on top, and it's gonna blend nicely. So I'm liking that. I don't smell anything. I was hoping it smelled like chocolate. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's the one that I received. So the shade that I got is called Chocolate Malt. Maybe that's why, I don't know, but it's such a pretty color. It's really cute. I think this is gonna be perfect for every day. And I'm just gonna swatch it here. What do you guys think? You can't even see it. Look at that. You can't even see it right there. I think that would be perfect for all everyday wear. And look at the packaging, so pretty. So let me know you guys selected this as well. So this one retails for $21. The next one I got, the next item that I got is Bite Beauty. It's called Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. Is $26. So ooh, look at this color. I love a matte lipstick. Look at the packaging. It does look like a crayon, like a lipstick. I mean, a pen. How cute is this? I remember getting a Marc Jacobs a long time ago. It smells really nice. It's not as dark as I thought, and it does feel really nice. I'm impressed. I remember getting Bite Beauty, and that is still a balm that I use at night. It's for the lips to kind of like hydrate them. I love that. Every time I try their products, I am very impressed. So this one's called Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon, and the shade that I got is called Pavlova. It's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be, so I'm impressed, guys. I'm impressed so far. Next, I got the serum kind. This one I was not expecting at all. I didn't remember this as a choice, as a variation. So this was called Black Blossom Hand Serum. So we have the hand serum, and as you know, there's going to be another hand serum from Grown Alchemist. I actually have that in my purse. I love that, and I would have preferred to receive that because I wouldn't mind to get another one, but you know what, it wouldn't be bad to try another one. So as you know, there's going to be two, I guess, hand cream. So but I was hoping for the Grown Alchemist. That one is really good. But this one retails for $27. So cute. And now I'm a little more excited to try it out. Okay, it smells really nice. This one smells better than the Grown Alchemist, but really nice. So at first I'm like, a hand cream, I was expecting the other one, but this is not bad. I like this. Oh, that smells really nice. And next, how cute is this packaging, guys? Right, this is different. So this is La Rouge Beauty, and it's on the go set, something I need on the go. And I actually packed brushes for my face, but I forgot to pack brushes that are, you know, around that I could use for my eyes. So this would have been perfect if it was just for the eyes, but it's not bad. This is a 3-piece set that comes with a dense dome brush for foundation or contour. You could have a powder brush for highlighter or blush, or a small dense angle brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. this is the thing I don't get. How is this $96 worth? So $96, I'm not sure, but it does have a nice design on the bottom. I like that because it makes the grip to hold so much better. The details on it is kind of smooth here, but then you feel the texture, and then it tells you exactly what type of brush it is. Yeah, it does look like really nice type of set of brushes. So these are the 3 that I got from here, but $96 is crazy. And last, guys, this is from Rodeo, I think, I don't know. This is Dragon's Blood Eye Mask Trio. So there's 3 in here, and it's gonna be an eye mask, and this I'm going to put on my purse because with all the move I'm gonna need this pretty soon. And this is gonna help to depuff. It also has biocellulose eye mask, and it brings 3 in here, so not bad. Like I mentioned, this one retails for $18. So far I feel like this box is improving from the other boxes that I have received. This one retails for $253. Now if I compare my base with my premium, the base takes it down 100%, but I'm not mad with this box. Sometimes with premium I feel like half of the stuff I like, half of the stuff I don't even use, but this one I'm really impressed with most of the products. Yeah, most of it. So I feel like this month was pretty good. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So once again, I want to wish you guys happy Mother's Day for all your moms, and I hope you guys spend it and have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for your support, for watching this video and unboxing with me. That truly means a lot to me. And until the next video, guys, bye.